at that beautiful squash. I am going to roast this, and we're going to use it for a couple recipes. So, I'm simply going to cut it in half. Oh yes, how beautiful is this? We're gonna scoop out all the seeds. I have an oven heating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 200 centigrade. And we're going to roast this for about 45 minutes. I'm not putting anything on this, no salt, nothing. I'm just going to face them down and roast them. So at the market, they don't use little paper labels. They will just write the price on the product. And so this was 200 vatu, and then it got reduced to 150 vatu. 1 vatu is about 80 cents to the dollar. So that's a pretty good deal for this squash. It's less than $1.50. Here's our squash. It's delicious. Oh, check that out. I could eat it just like that right now. I have a packed cup of the roasted pumpkin that we made in this bowl. And I also have a cup of chickpeas. I cooked these myself. I soaked them last night, cooked them now. But if you can use canned, of course. Just drain it and rinse it off, okay? So I'm gonna put this in the food processor. I have 2 garlic cloves, which I peeled. Maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon of cumin. I'm gonna start with half a teaspoon salt. If it needs more, I add more. This is a large lemon, which I juiced. Finally, I'm adding 2 heaping tablespoons of tahini. All right, let's process this. Little paprika on top. And that's just for color. And a drizzle of olive oil. So serve this with pita bread or crackers or whatever you want. It's a great appetizer for the holidays. Even, you know, raw vegetables would be great for this. Snap peas, carrots, cauliflower, raw, perfect. All right, well, now for the moment of truth. Wow. That, guys, is very good. You got a little sweetness from the pumpkin, that earthy, nutty taste of the tahini, the creaminess of the garbanzo bean in there. Oh my gosh. And of course, the tartness of the lemon. Delicious. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you soon.